everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sangeeta and today's video is bit different. We are not going to do any clothing or makeup haul or कुछ makeup tutorial भी नहीं करने वाले हैं. Today we are unboxing some of my PR boxes जो कि मुझे Instagram collaboration और brand की तरफ से gifts में मिले हैं and yeah, so we have some exciting products, new launches basically. And before starting the video, can you take a moment and appreciate this beautiful bronzy brown smoky look. It is called the latte makeup. अभी Instagram पे बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड हो रखा है. And yeah, if you want to learn the makeup tutorial or this makeup, you can go ahead to my Instagram feed which is linked in the caption और यहाँ पे भी mentioned है. So वहाँ पे जाके you can check the video out. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. So जितने भी PR boxes मुझे last month receive हुए हैं, I'm only gonna share them and most of them contain new launches. जितने भी last month पे new launches हुए brand के उसी PR boxes है. And we are going to start with this छोटू one. This is by Rene Cosmetics and recently they launched their new bullet lipstick line which is called a stunner matte lipstick. So they have a total of 8 shades. They have some brown, pinks, nudes, purple and एक रेड शेड भी है. एंड these lipsticks are transfer proof, long lasting and very comfortable on my lips. काफ़ी पिगमेंटेशन भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. Staying power is also good. So let me swatch some of my favorite shade. So the first shade is this very beautiful muted pink shade which is called Braveheart. This is 07 Braveheart and this is the first shade. So this is the shade which looks very pretty on fair to medium skin tone. बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. And this is the shade called high power which is a very poppy bright pink shade जो कि medium to darker skin tone पे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. And these are completely matte. एक थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है इसको ड्राई आउट होने में एंड एक बार ड्राई हो जाता है तो दीज आर नॉट गोना बर्ज. बहुत अच्छे से आपके लिप्स में बहुत टाइम तक रहने वाला है. So next we have this very beautiful big box from Dot & Key Turn 5. So this is from their big birthday blowout sale के PR box है. So this is how the PR box looks like. इसमें 5 products है. So some of them are their new launches. तो ये वाला उनका new launch है जो कि है watermelon cooling हाइड्रोजेल आई पैचेस. मुझे बहुत टाइम से आई पैचेस लेने का मन था तो मुझे ये मिल गया तो आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट. लेट मी शो यू द एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट. तो दिस इज हाउ द एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट लुक्स लाइक. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ. I don't know why the camera is not picking. So this is the इसमें कुछ 60 आई पैचेस है जो कि 30 यूज easily हो जाएगा. So yeah, this is the first product. Then we have their very popular sunscreen which is called their watermelon cooling sunscreen. This is a very popular product. I know बहुत लोग already इसको use कर चुके होंगे. So let me show you the product. So this is okay. So this is the product. This is the sunscreen. ये काफ़ी पॉपुलर प्रोडक्ट है, काफ़ी लाइट वेट है एंड समर के लिए परफेक्ट है. तो दिस इज द सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट. देन वी हैव देयर vitamin C serum. Again this is a very famous product and ये काफ़ी इफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट भी है. मेरे पास ऑलरेडी इसके 4-5 बोतल तो होंगे ही. मैंने आई यूज दिस ऑन ए रेगुलर बेसिस. काफ़ी अच्छा विटामिन सी प्रोडक्ट, आई मीन विटामिन सी सीरम है. तो नेक्स्ट वी हैव अगेन दिस इज अनदर न्यू लॉन्च. दिस इज फ्रॉम देयर ग्लॉस बॉस लिप balm range. They have added a new variant which is called watermelon rush. So this is how the product looks like. So here is the thing, To be honest, I love their products, but this product is not my, I don't like this product at all because it smells quite good, but ये जब actual lip में लगाती हूँ तो it tastes very weird. It has a very chemical, I don't know how to explain, बहुत ही weird सा taste है, और ये मुंह में जाते ही पूरा एकदम अजीब सा फील होता है, पूरे मुंह का टेस्ट ही खराब हो जाता है. तो आई एम नॉट गोना यूज दिस. मैंने बस एक ही बार ट्राई किया है और उसके बाद आई एम नॉट गोना यूज दिस. सो also I will not give this product to anyone because it is that bad, so probably I'm gonna throw it away. So otherwise I love all their products, but this product didn't work for me. So next we have this very pretty package from Nelo Gallery. This is an Instagram page. They sell these nail stickers. These are supposed to you can paste them on your nails, and this is going to last you for 12 days. So I haven't tried them yet, तो मैं try करके बताऊंगी. Instagram पे अपडेट दूंगी ये कैसा लगता है. And they are so sweet. They send me this handwritten note. Thank you so much for sending this. Next we have another package from Glam21, and this is a box full of makeup products. I have already tried some of their products, and I really like their brow powder and also lipsticks. They are quite amazing. And this time they send me these two lip crayon, which I am super excited to try. And they have also sent me this blush highlighter palette, which looks pretty amazing. I'm super excited again to try this. And also they send me another brow product. Wow, thank you so much. So this is another brow product, and this time they have also sent me this liquid foundation and this concealer, and we have another concealer. Okay, this is the mascara and this is the concealer. And also they send me this clear lip glosses. So lip gloss, clear, especially clear lip gloss जो होता है वो काफ़ी handy होता है. You can put different sparkle, different color to you can experiment with them. So I am quite excited about this product. I'm gonna soon experiment with this product. So yeah, thank you so much for sending this. So the next box is by one of my favorite Indian makeup brand, which is Pack Cosmetics. They recently launched their intensely matte lip crayon. So they have launched 12 different shades in this range, and I have 6 of them. Mostly they are red, pink and brown. काफी vibrant colors है. Pigmentation wise they are amazing. Staying power भी इसका काफी amazing है. Completely insanely matte है, as the name suggests. So this is one of my favorite shade called Ruby, truly Ruby. And let me show you the actual product. So this is how the crayon looks like. Again very basic सा crayon है, and this retails for 499 rupees, which is again very decent pricing. Because their products are pretty expensive, but this time they have kept it very budget friendly. And these are highly pigmented. Mostly these colors are red, pink and mauve. इस टाइप के कलर है, लेकिन पिगमेंटेशन इनका काफ़ी रिच है. बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है लिप्स में, बहुत ही पिगमेंटेड है. इफ़ यू आर समवन हु लाइक्स vibrant bright colors, then you can totally go for these color lipsticks. Otherwise you can skip this because these are pretty vibrant. So yeah, इसका फिनिश भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, स्टेइंग पावर इसका काफ़ी अच्छा है. एंड ऑल्सो these are supremely comfortable on my lips. So I really like this product. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And for more beauty and fashion content, you can follow me on Instagram. My ID is linked in the caption. So bye bye, see you next time.